Hello everyone, it's Jill. Today I'm going to be doing some holiday makeup. And I love the holidays because, I mean, obviously it's the holidays, it's super fun, but I also love the makeup that goes with it, the red lips, the glittery eyes. And so that's what we're going to be doing today, just a very classic, simple makeup look. So I already went ahead and did my brows, and I used the Brow Pro palette from Anastasia, and I've been wanting to buy this for so long, but I never did, but I finally did it. I'm probably gonna do like a first impressions or face full of new makeup video soon, and I'll talk more about why I bought this, but I have this book, and then I also use my Maybelline brow pen, and my brows are like kind of a disaster right now, but I'm gonna go back and fix them after foundation and stuff. I kind of just do my brows before my eye makeup so I know like where they start and end, if that makes sense, but I fix them again later on. And then to prime my eyes, I'm just using the MAC Pro Longwear Paint Pot and Painterly, and just using my fingers to pat that over my eyelid. Today I'm using the Bare Necessities palette from Colourpop. I've been really into Colourpop lately, a lot. I tried this eyeshadow palette throughout the week because I got it like last weekend, but I haven't tried every shade in here, so I'm kind of excited to give my first thoughts on it. But it has some really pretty shimmer shades, and it's super pigmented from what I can tell, so that'll be fun. First off, I'm just using a fluffy brush in the color Full Expose, this little nude shade, and just patting that over where I set my eye. Next, I'm just taking a fluffy crease brush, and I'm gonna dip into, oh goodness, this shade Banter right here. It's a very neutral brown. Okay, I zoomed in a little bit more, that way you could have a better understanding of what I'm doing. Now I'm taking this small little pointed blending brush, and I'm going to use a brown shade. Which one I'm gonna use? I think I'm gonna use Velveteen right in this corner down here. And I'm gonna start putting that on the outer V of the eye into the crease, and then bringing it into the inner corner as well. That brush was too small, so I'm gonna use a medium-sized fluffy blending brush. And then I'm gonna take the first brush we used and go back and blend all of that out. Next, I'm going to take this dark brown shade called Taboo and use a dense brush and pack it into the outer and inner corners. And then I'm going to use the medium blending brush and buff it out. Now I'm going to move on to the shimmers, which is really hard because this palette has a lot of beautiful ones, but I want to keep it pretty gold because I feel like that's just what the holidays are about. So I'm going to use the shade Prefix right here, and I'm going to start packing that onto the middle of the eyelid where we didn't put the darker shades. Ooh, that's so pretty. Okay, this is pretty, but it's really not sticking like I need it to. I probably should have put down some concealer. To help that stick down, I'm gonna use this Perfectly Wretched Jelly Much eyeshadow from Colourpop. It's from the Disney Villains collection. And I am gonna pat that where I was putting the glitter shade. I don't know if you can tell, but it's super dry, and I don't know if it's supposed to be like that or if mine is just wrong, but if you've used this product, let me know if that's just how it comes and it just looks different than it does on the website, or if mine is not right. Yeah, no, this can't be right. Next, I'm gonna take the black shade in the palette called Spyglass. It actually has some little sparkles in it, I think. So I'm just taking that on a pencil brush and packing it into the outer corner of my eye. Okay, I'm overall very disappointed with these products right now, which is surprising. I don't know if you can tell, but when I was blending on the black eyeshadow, I took a blending brush and kind of just buffed over it, and all of the glitter just like fell off of my eye. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. This time, with a wet brush and concealer down in the middle of my lid, I'm going back in with the Prefix Sparkle shade and patting it right in the center of my eye. So I'm gonna step away from the eye look for a little while. Maybe I'll go back and fix it later. But I am gonna pop on some eyeliner and then do my face makeup, and then I'll be back to talk about lips and maybe fixing what's going on up here. So I'm gonna try and finish off this eye look. I think all I can do at this point is add some highlighter in the middle. So I am gonna go back and basically use the brown shades that we used and just repeat those steps, but on the lower lash line, just to smoke everything out and connect it. And then right in the middle, I'm gonna take the same shimmer shade we used. Actually, I'm gonna go from the middle all the way to the inner corner and just smudge that shimmer shade in. Finally, I'm gonna highlight my inner corner with the Anastasia Amrezy highlighter. So now I'm gonna throw on some mascara. I'm not putting on false eyelashes today because honestly, I probably wouldn't if I was going to a Christmas party. So there you go. So I just put on the Opening Act Lash Primer by Tarte, and I'm following it with my favorite mascara of all time, the Essence Lash Princess, which is, again, like $3, people. Like, it's awesome. Moving on to the final steps, we are going to be doing a red lip. Of course, it's Christmas. You have to. I'm going to be using a darker red lip liner called Hoova from Morphe, and then the Kylie Mary Jo lipstick. I think I want to darken this lip just a little tiny bit, and so I'm going to use Kylie Liquid Matte in, where is the color? Clove. This is from last year or the year before's holiday collection. It was like the Sugar and Spice collection, and I'm wiping all of the excess product off and just putting it on the outer corner. Then I'm dabbing it in with my finger. And then finally, over those two lipsticks, I'm gonna put this NYX Butter lipstick, and that's just to make it comfortable. It's in a red shade too. I like the staying power of liquid lips, but I don't really like the look of them or the feel, so I'm just putting this over it just so it's comfortable. Alright everyone, here's the finished look. I'm actually pretty happy with how it turned out. I hope everyone has a great Christmas. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more like it, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Let it snow, let it snow.